Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do another week in the Dollar Tree planner, which is in this Moterm B6 cover. The Dollar Tree planner is a planner that I will be giving away at the end of the year, hopefully, or when I finish all of the weekly setups in this planner. So I am kind of jumping around now, and again, I don't have it on the elastics. This is a hacked B6 cover. It's really for a B6 notebook, not a traveler's notebook style notebook, but I went ahead and hacked it and added some strings. So the way that I did this did not damage the cover. The strings are actually on a laminate sheet. I'll link to that in the iCard up above and in the description box below. But right now I'm just kind of keeping the Dollar Tree planner in it to keep it protected. I am doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge. I'm trying to kind of get caught up and go back and do some of the weeks that I've missed, as well as go forward. So as you can see, I got little sticky notes where I have skipped places. This is a week I think that I skipped. Yeah, this is the one I want. So I'm going to be working on this week, and the prompt is bows. So I have something new here that I'm going to be using for this week and for this prompt. This is a digital subscription kit that is now available at Fabulously Creative. I will link to them in the description box below with all the information. This is a digital monthly subscription kit. So you get these digitals, and once you have them, you can use them over and over and over again. It's not like you're purchasing new sticker sheets or anything like that. If you're a digital girl, like I'm a digital girl, I like printables. I like to be able to resize things and use it the way that I want to use it, and not worry about, oh, I might want to use that design again later, and I don't have any way to do that because they're not selling that sticker anymore, or whatever the case may be. I love digitals, and this digital kit is great. This is pretty much a clip art based kit. It has some dashboards in it. It has different skin tones depending on what you want to use. It also has some printable paper, like scrapbook paper. So I didn't print everything, but I do have samples, I think, of pretty much everything. It's just that I didn't print all the skin tones and all of that. So this is one of the dashboards, and again, you can resize these to whatever you need. This one has the text on it, this one doesn't, and each skin tone has the same variations. So I just printed a few, and you can print these on cardstock and use them as dashboards. You can reduce the size and make them stickers, however you want to do it. She believed she could, so she did. Is that one. Then this one is the other one, create the life of your dreams. So you get one with the text and one that is blank. Then this is the digital paper. This one has bows on it, and then this one has hairpins or bobby pins. Then this is something I created myself. So the digital comes with a variety of different clip arts. So it came with these 3 bows. It came with this planner and this purse. So I took and pulled all of those into Silhouette Studio. I use pings, but they come as SVG and PDF, I believe. I pulled in the pings, resized them to the size that I wanted, and print and cut them. And so now I have stickers in a variety of different sizes. I could have gone bigger, but I wanted to keep it something that I could actually use in a planner, so I didn't go bigger. Then this one came like this. I just put 2 on a page. It is bow boxes, and this is what they look like. So I print and cut in Silhouette to make my stickers. Now this one I did on Cricut, and I don't know what's going on with my Cricut. I've calibrated it I don't know how many times, but this sheet actually came like this, ready to go. I just pulled it in the Cricut and print and cut. So this is what these look like. And these are the dolls that came with this month, September kit, and they come in different skin tones as well. So then I took the same design and did 3 on the page, 3 different sizes in silhouette. So I have the larger size and then the 2 smaller sizes. And yeah, that's it. So I think I'm going to be using this, maybe this too. And I'm going to put these aside, save to use later for something else. So again, the prompt is bows, which should be very easy because I have all this Simply Gilded washi. Initially, I was going to try and use a different bow patterned washi, but I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with good old Simply Gilded. So I have this pale pink washi. I don't know how that's going to show on this gray or how it's going to cover the day of the week, but let's see. I think I'm going to go with it, and I don't think I'm going to white anything out there. Where's my ruler? Let's go ahead and cover up these day of the week headers. So also don't forget to comment on the video so that you can be entered or eligible to win the planner once it is complete if you are interested in such. All right, so that's all of those headers. Let's go ahead and do days of the week. I'm going to use Caliber Plan again. Hopefully I can make this work. So I am going to actually cover where the actual date and day of the week were with these, since the washi tape doesn't hide that completely. And this planner is going to be undated for the recipient, so you can date it however you choose. Use whatever week you want to use for whatever purpose. Because I am using the weekly challenge, there will be certain spreads that have like a occasion or holiday theme to them, so you can kind of just follow along through the planner and find those pages. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so Friday. I'm looking in Roy G. Biv Volume 2 from Caliber Plan. I do have quite a bit of pink left in here, and pink seems to be the color. Why do I have so much pink that I'm going to go for with the florals? Let's check Volume 1 just to be sure doing the right thing. Why didn't I use the pink flowers? What was I saving those for? I didn't use pink from either one of these. Let's go with Volume 2. So I'm going to use them to cover the header information. And let's go ahead and carefully white this out if I can. It's kind of lumpy on this side, so it's hard to drive the white out straight. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Is my black paper, so I'm trying to make sure that I get this straight on the corner as I can. And as always, that whiteout shows through a little bit, but I could use sticker paper, but that adds a little too much bulk. So just trying to keep it from being too bulky and difficult for the recipient to write in. All right, now I'm gonna have to peel Monday up a little bit. Hopefully it will be forgiving. Well, I guess I can peel it all the way up. And let's put Monday back. Okay. So then let's take one of these pieces. This is kind of similar to what I did in the last spread. I didn't show the last spread. Let me show you. This is the last spread that I did in the Dollar Tree planner. It is, the prompt was Patriot. So, and you see how I did the flowers. I'm going to do something kind of similar up here. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off of it because I want it to kind of overlap and cover where that whiteout is showing through a little bit more than I want it to. It's still going to show, but it will be a little more hidden. And I'm going to put this kind of in the middle again to help preserve the integrity of this planner and help hold it together. Okay. Might have to put a quote or something on there too. All right, so we got our florals. Now let's get back to the bows. This sheet has a variety of different sizes. So I'm gonna stick a few around, I think. Let's see, I got one more right here in pink. Just put it right here. All right, so those aren't really noticeable. They're not standing out a whole lot. So let's mix some more in. We're gonna use this box. Oh, I wish I'd have flipped some of these horizontal the other way. See how these bows are going the same way? Let's see if I can tilt this one to go the other way, if I can get it back. We don't want them going the same direction. And let's put it in the crease a little bit. Let's see, which doll do I want to use? I initially was going to go with her, but I kind of like the one with the camera. Let's see if we can work her in. Let's trim this off like so. And you can place her here. I'm thinking I kind of want her hand to rest on this. That's going to take away a lot of space on Saturday, but I think it'll be fine. We can use some of these too. And a purse. That one's a little big. Let's use a smaller one. These purses are so cute. The color schemes are really nice. So let's put that like kind of by her. Feels a little empty right here. What else? What other deco do I have? Let's see, can we incorporate the gold color a little bit? Let's put that there. Then we can maybe incorporate some of this gold. Let's sprinkle a few more of these stickers throughout. Let's see. The floral stickers, I mean. I think this will look nice over here beside her. I got these Isis Ella Jewels stickers, and I think I want to use some on this spread. This one says stay true to yourself. Let's see if I can fit that up here. I think I can. Yeah. So let's put that there. Let's get a couple more off of this one. This says love you, hashtag love you. Let's put it right here. here. Let's put it in the box. And then this one, hashtag BU. Let's do this one. I like this. It says, Queen, you're next. Believe it, envision it, manifest it. Let's see, let's put it here. Wait, because I just saw another one that I want to use. Open your heart to accept. So let's do that one. This is turning into kind of an inspirational thing. So let's put that one right here. Or should I put it right here? Nope, I'm going to put it up here. And then this one here. So we got little quotes sprinkled out throughout. I was trying to be quick like I was last time. Let's speed this up. Oh, I need to look in here for some dots. All right, just want to sprinkle a little bit more color throughout. That's it. That is the spread. I used the September digital kit from Fabulously Creative. The florals and the days of the week are from CHELA Plan. The quotes are from Isis Ella Jules. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.